guys, so guess what? Guess why I'm happy? Yes, my blender is here. I'm so happy about this because my other blender just got spoiled. So I went out today to go and buy this. So let's unbox it. Follow me to unbox it. Okay? I'm so happy. I've spent money buying this. So let's see what's inside. Okay. So open. Jesus Christ, this thing is hard. Yes. So the first thing here is this. Woo! Oh my God, I love it. This is the first thing here. The blender cup. This is 1.5 liters. Yeah. Can you see? So beautiful. Oh my God. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, this aside, the other one is manual. There's no time I want to use this thing. Another thing is the cover. The cover. So, wow, beautiful. Another thing here is the main cocoa. Oh my God. Hey, this is good. Okay. Wow. Can you see? Can you see? Hey. Wow. This is beautiful. Let's get this out of the way. Yeah. So this brand is Kenwood. Kenwood brand. This was recommended by my friend. I've not tested it before. I've not used this kind of blender before. I was using West Point before, so I have to buy this. Hey, how are they closing this one? All of the way. I'll figure it out. So this is what it looks like. Okay guys, I've fixed it. This is how it looks like. So this is it. This is the bottom. And the second cup. Just like this. That's it. Nothing else. It's done. So I'm happy that I got this today. So happy. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.